Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel /u.in. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn about the user and group management inside this Linux. So first of all, let me zoom it for you so that you can see it in a large view. Okay. Now, first of all, how to create user, how to create a normal user. By default root is there. How you can create a normal user? The simple command is user add command. So user add John, this command will create a user named John, but by default all users are locked. So if you assign a password, this user John will be unlocked. So how to unlock? Just simply assign a password using the command passwd. So passwd command is used to assign a password to any user. So passwd is John, name of the user, and then you can assign a password. Suppose 123. Now the username John and the password is 123. When you see this line, all authentication tokens updated successfully, it means your work has been done successfully. Now clear this screen. How will you verify? So all the information of users are stored in a file. The name of that file is etc passwd. So you can run this command cat etc passwd. And here it is, you can see the last line John. It means there is a user John inside this system. If you want to delete this user, how to delete a user? User del -r and the name of the user John. Now this user has been deleted completely from this system. How you can verify? Just type cat etc passwd, and now you can see the user John has been removed. Only Satish user is here. Okay. Now, if some user is logged in, you can't delete that user. For example, if you want to see who is logged in inside your system, you can run who command. So you can see right now, root and Satish also login. So Satish is login on terminal 2. You can see Satish user is login on terminal 2. So if you want to delete this user, you will not be allowed. Let's see. User del -r Satish, it will not allow you to delete. You see, it's telling me that Satish user is currently logged in. That's why you can't delete this user. So first of all, you have to kick this user out from your system. How to kick a user out from your system? You have to run the command who-a, and this will list all the information related to a user. So when you type this command who-a, you can see Satish user information on terminal 1. So Satish user here on Satish user here on terminal 2. And in front of Satish user, you can see this one 2260. So what do you mean by 2260? 2260 is the process ID for user Satish. If you kill this process ID, that user will be kicked out. So very simple, just type kill and the process ID 2260. This process ID combined with Satish user. So if you kill this process ID, Satish user will be kicked out. Remember, kick out, not deleted. Okay. So you just type who-a who command, and you can see now no Satish user is login. Okay, so out of these 3 users, no users are Satish. So Satish user has been kicked out. Kicked out means log out, not deleted. Now if you want to delete this user, you can delete using simply user del -r and the name of the user Satish, and in this way you will be able to delete the user. Okay, so this user has been deleted. If you want to verify, simply type cat etc passwd, etc passwd, and done. No Satish user here. You can see Satish user has been deleted. Clear this screen. Now it's time to add user and group. First of all, I'm going to add a group, create a group. How to create a group? Group add command. Group add, suppose CCNA. This is the name of the group is CCNA. Now I'm going to add some user inside my system. User add C1 and C2. Now I want these users inside the group CCNA. First of all, how to check group information? Cat etc group. Okay, so you can see CCNA group here, but inside the CCNA group I want to add user C1 and C2. So how to add users inside a group? The command for that is user mode -g and the name of the group is CCNA and the username is C1. This command will add C1 users to CCNA group. Similarly, you can add C2 users also to CCNA group. Now if you want to verify, you can simply use cat etc group, and here it is. You can see this line CCNA C1 and C2 inside CCNA group. Got it? Now if you want to remove users from any group, you simply run this command g pass wd -d and the name of the user and the name of the group. Then this command will remove the user C1 from group CCNA, not from the system, just from this group. Okay, this command will just remove this user from this group. Similarly, if you want to remove the C2 user also, you just type C2 and the done. Now if you check this command, you can see now there is no users inside this group CCNA. And now if you want to delete this group, you can simply run group del and the name of the group and done. This command will delete the group CCNA. Cat etc group, you can see there is no CCNA group now. That group has been deleted. In this way, you can add a user, you can assign password, okay, and you can add a group, you can add user inside the group, you can remove the users from the group. You know how to kick out the users, you know how to delete a user. Now the last one is how to delete a password for a user. Suppose I have a user at Satish. I want to delete this password, so the command will be passwd -d Satish. So this command will not delete the user, this command will just delete the password for the user. Delete the password for the user means now anyone can log in with this user even without any password. For example, I am going to terminal 6 to test this. So chbt 6 and here I am logging with Satish user. I just have to type the username and press enter and you will log in. See, it's not asking any password. You type who am I, it will tell you are Satish and you are logging. I hope you guys understand user and group administration part. If still you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section. I will try to reply you. Okay, thank you for watching.